This is how you use selfie mode on the Instax Mini 11 camera. First you're going to want to turn your camera on. Then it's a little tricky. There's a little writing on here that says selfie mode with an arrow. What that's telling you to do is grab the edges of the front of the lens here and pull it out. You'll see it pop out and it'll say selfie on. That means the focusing distance will be closer, so you can hold it out in front of you like this, and you'll see a little mirror right here, and you line that up so you can see your face, and it'll take a nice selfie that'll be good in focus. You can see yourself in there right now, your camera. Once you close your camera, the next time you open it, it won't be on. So you have to remember, every time you want to take a selfie, you got to pop that out again. Alright, and then close it like that to turn it off. Hope that helps you. Thank you for watching.